Hello, Lee. This is your cleaning drone. And serial number. And this is the FPV camera and the spring system. This one is the obstacle reader. In charger and 3 batteries. Remote controller. This is toolbox. There are some tools inside it. This is a cap gift for you. This is the propeller protect cover in 5 nozzles. And this one is the spring gun. This is the foam bottle. And this is the charger adapter for the water pump use. And this is the field and water house, 2,060 meters, and water pump. Okay, that's all the details for your order. Thank you.